Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Sequence.
What does the dictionary say?
A set whose elements have an order similar to that of the positive integers. A map from the positive integers to a given set.
Math rap.
The order of numbers or objects that follow a pattern like Mars, Venus, Jupiter, and Saturn. Or take numbers by 3 and you will see 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15.
Math rap.
Why was the math teacher fashionable? Because their dress was full of sequins. Explain sequences in your own words. Sequences can be events. Order the birthdays of you and your closest friends. Does the sequence change year by year? Name everyday things that are done in sequence. Write down the sequence of your daily morning routine.
Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!